Laptop guy here. So today we're drawing. He called it a quad hitch. A friend sent this drawing that he drew in Google SketchUp with all the dimensions. It's his design, his dimensions, and so I'm gonna do my best to translate that into Inkscape. I guess he could have sent it to me in a format that I could import, but that's not how it came to me. It came to me as a PDF. So this is what we're going to recreate, and I'll give you, well, let's do this. Graphics, open Inkscape, and we're going to open up the drawings. Let's see. So I've already drawn them, and this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like in Inkscape when you're done. But how do we get from the PDF to this? Lots of math, but I also drew the tombstones. But first, we'll just recreate this. The tombstones are pretty easy. We get through this part, I'm sure you can handle the tombstone part. So let's see. Let me show you how I did this. So that's it. That's the drawing. We go from a customer spec of this with lots of measurements. That's key that allowed me to do this. To this. And next step is, well, I could show you the tombstones, but it's pretty simple to draw a tombstone. It's very much like this, where I made a square. It'll be making the square on the bottom and rounded on the top, and then we'll subtract a hole out of the center. So I'm going to leave that one to you to figure out. Let's go out in the garage and cut this and see what it looks like. Welcome back out to the 6.8 liter garage. It's going to be a hot one here today. I'm already sweating up the shirt, which you can pick up at 6.8 liter store. But anyway, we jumped right in and did the sparky stuff, the hot stuff right away. So when the heck did we build? Well, you saw the drawing and how we got that. And this is the final product. Well, no, it's not the final product. My part, final part of my part. This is going to be, he's calling it a hitch, but basically it's a mounting point for the front of a quad. So this quad. This is, I cut reliefs in here so it can be bent, but I don't know what the angle is going to be, and it's easier to ship flat. So John will bend it, and then he is a welder. He has a welder, so he has an angle cutter. He could have cut all this stuff out by hand, but he asked me to do it on the plasma because I thought it would look better. I think it looks pretty good. And he's going to drill the holes. So the way this works is this will be bent. This will go around the winch opening, and the fairlead will go on the outside. And this will come down and mount where the lower A arms mount, near the axle at the base. And then these tombstones will be two to a mounting point. I don't know exactly where they're going to go, but they'll be welded on. And he's going to have I believe it's just a lightweight snow blade that he's going to attach there and use pins to lock it in. It's not my project, it's John's project and his design. He sent the drawing, so hopefully it'll do what he wants it to do, and we'll see. Anyway, so that's the project for today, and hopefully you got something out of it. Like, share, subscribe, find some air conditioning, and get out of this heat. Thanks for watching.